Welcome back, everyone. We're excited to show you how easy it is to get this look on your countertop. It has a white base and silver highlights, and it's blended using the squeegee technique. Enjoy the video.
All right, so we're getting ready to apply our base coat. At this step, you're gonna have your primer done. Everything's plastic taped off, so the counters are basically ready to go. Mix the resin just like we show you. So here's our pigmented white. Real quick, guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and you click the bell button so you get notified every time we launch a new video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to update your countertops, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click that bell button so you don't miss any of our amazing projects coming up. We'll see you next time.